Hello everyone, we are going to do practice set 4.1 third problem. Triangle RST is similar to triangle XYZ. If I see the names of these two triangles, I can see that they have no common vertex. There is no vertex that is common to them. In triangle RST, RS is 4.5 centimeter, angle RST is 40 degrees, ST is 5.7 centimeters. So two sides of this triangle and one angle is given to us. Construct triangle RST and triangle XYZ such that RS upon XY is equal to 3 upon 5. I'm going to first start by drawing the rough figure. Now, since there is no common vertex in these triangles, our rough figure is going to look somewhat like this. In the rough figure, both triangles should have the same shape. Now I need to figure out which triangle is the smaller triangle and which triangle is the bigger triangle. For that, I need to look at this ratio. RS upon XY is 3 upon 5. I can see that RS is corresponding to 3. That means it's the smaller triangle, and XYZ is the bigger triangle. So RST is the smaller triangle, XYZ is the bigger triangle. So let me name the smaller triangle first. RST. And keeping the correspondence of the vertices in mind, I'm going to label this as X, Y, Z. Let us put down the measurements that we know. We know that angle RST is 40 degrees. We know that side RS is 4.5 centimeter and ST is 5.7 centimeter. We need to find measurements of this triangle as well, so that we can construct it. Now I know that triangle RST is similar to triangle XYZ. This is given to me. When two triangles are similar, I know all three of their angles are equal. So similar triangles have equal angles. So when angle RST is 40 degrees, which is given to me, my corresponding angle of this triangle, that is angle XYZ, also is equal to angle RST is equal to 40 degrees. And my reason is going to be corresponding angles of similar triangles. So I know that this angle is going to be 40 degrees. Now I need to find measure of side XY and measure of side YZ. So for that, I know that since these two triangles are similar, their sides are in equal proportion. So RS upon XY is equal to ST upon YZ is equal to RT upon XZ. And my reason is corresponding sides of similar triangles. But I know that RS upon XY is equal to 3 upon 5. So one of these ratios is 3 upon 5. So all three ratios will be equal to 3 upon 5. So I know all three ratios are going to be equal to 3 upon 5. So I know RS upon XY is equal to ST upon YZ is equal to RT upon XZ is equal to 3 upon 5. But I know that RS is 4.5, so I can use that to find XY. So RS upon XY is 3 upon 5. I'm just considering this ratio first. So I know 4.5 upon XY is equal to 3 upon 5. I'm going to cross multiply. 4.5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by XY. Therefore, XY is equal to 4.5 multiplied by 5 divided by 3. Therefore, XY is equal to 7.5 centimeter. I can now consider the other ratio, that is ST upon YZ is equal to 3 upon 5. And ST is given to me as 5.7 upon YZ is equal to 3 upon 5. Let me cross multiply. I get 5.7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 3 times YZ. Therefore, YZ is equal to 5.7 multiplied by 5 divided by 3. That is 9.5 centimeter. So now I've got measurements of lengths of two sides of my bigger triangle, and I also know that the included angle is 40 degrees. So now I'm all set to construct my two triangles. So now I know the measurements of both triangles, the smaller triangle RST and XYZ. So I can begin my construction. I'm going to start by constructing the smaller triangle first. Its base is ST, which is 5.7 centimeter. Let me draw its base first. This is ST, 5.7 centimeter. Now I need to mark this angle of 40 degrees, for which I need my protractor. I'm going to align my protractor with point S and start counting 40 degrees, 0, 10, 20, 30, and 40. Make a mark here, keep my protractor away. I'm going to join point S and this point and extend the line. Now I need my scale. To locate point R, I'm going to measure 4.5 on my compass. I'm going to keep my compass here and make an arc here. Going to keep my compass away. Join this point and point T. And this is my point R. I'm going to put all the measurements on my constructed figure. Only after that, I'm going to start constructing my bigger triangle. To construct my bigger triangle, I'm going to first draw its base, which is 9.5 centimeter. So I've drawn its base. YZ, that is 9.5 centimeter. I will then measure this angle as 40 degrees, make a mark here, keep the protractor away. Join point Y and this point and extend further. Now I need to measure 7.5 over here so that I can locate point X. Going to need my scale. Take my compass. In my compass, measure 7.5 centimeter. Put my compass here. Make an arc. Keep my compass away. Join these 2 points. This is my point X. I'm going to put all the measurements on my triangle. So as the question asked us, we have constructed triangle RST as well as triangle XYZ. The two triangles are similar to each other. With that, we are done with our construction. I hope this is clear. Thank you.